This is what they call the delimber. Strips all the limbs off the trees. There comes the skidder bringing him some more. Oop, he's putting another log on me. Hard to film when he's loading me. Then he's got a chainsaw on the back side of that thing that cuts the very tips of them off. Right there. And those. And the skidder will back up and pick up those little tops that he's cutting off in his grapple. And then he'll take them, drag them out in the field somewhere, and that'll be the end of them. You'll see him, he's behind the delimber right now, but he'll come out in a second with his, here he comes. See his grapple all full of tops? He'll drag them off somewhere. Here's the delimber, fixing to strip some more limbs off. What's a crooked tree? Well, I don't know how you can do anything with that. I think he's fixing to cut it off. Yep, there it goes. The rest of that's just a waste. They have an enormous amount of waste in the woods, man. It really bothers me. A lot of stuff just doesn't get used. And it's sad.